Did you know that the ancient Stoics was a secret weapon? He could resist them chaos and emotional turmoil caused by difficult people in their lives. As others may try to throw your way, it is not just a piece of ancient history. Rather, it is a practical strategy which can change your life today. You are dealing with a challenging boss. Anyone who unnecessarily seems to drain your energy, the wisdom of Stoicism provides a powerful solution. In today's video, we're diving deep. How can you apply this Stoic? And these valuable principles are not just for survival but thrives in the face of adversity. It is more important than coping. It is about building a life of peace, guides you to gain resilience and deep personal freedom. So if you ever feel overwhelmed by someone else's negativity, or if you're just looking for a more peaceful existence, in this busy world you are in the right place. Let's start this journey together, armed with the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, and unlock the secret to maintaining your sobriety. This video is not for skipping, so subscribe to our Wisdom Ease Life channel, turn on notifications. In any way, if you are here and consider yourself different from the crowd, consider yourself an exception, and do not skip any part of this content. This concept is basically about drawing. Our line in Bali determines how much we allow external forces, especially a narcissist, affects our inner peace and tranquility. Marcus Aurelius wants you have power over your mind, not an external event. This realization, and you will have strength. This powerful statement resonates deeply when we face challenges. Dealing with a narcissist, it reminds us that is our true strength. Neither narcissists nor their behavior lies within the altar, which is often beyond our control. But how do we react and change our relationship with them? In the context of dealing with a narcissist, what we have control over is our response, our emotions, and how much emotional real estate we give them. It is not an easy task, especially when emotions are high, and the narcissist in question plays an important role in our lives, be it as a family member, a partner, or even a colleague. Seneca offers that wisdom. This method is complementary. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Many times worry, and we feel pain when dealing with a narcissist, expanded by our fear and expectations of what they might say or do next. Seneca's applies to vision. We learn to distinguish between reality, effects of their actions, and additional suffering we create in our mind. This is not trivial challenges posed by a narcissist. Rather, it empowers us to reclaim mental space. Focus on current reality instead of the worst-case scenario. Let's break it down a bit. Imagine you are carrying a backpack every day, and every negative interaction, every attempt at manipulation, every hurtful comment the narcissist makes, adds a rock to this backpack. It's heavy, it's tiring, and it's slowing you down. What Stoicism teaches us, we have the power to stop adding rocks to our backpacks. We cannot change narcissists, but we can change how we perceive their actions to affect us, minimizing their role in our lives. It starts with a conscious decision to shift our focus. It means to work actively, redirect our thoughts and towards strength, things and people that raise us, towards activities that bring us joy and peace. It's about creating boundaries, both mental and physical, which protects our well-being. This may involve limited involvement. Our interactions with the narcissist changes the nature of our conversation. Avoid giving them ammunition to influence us, or in some cases completely disconnected. But it is too much to admit. Important Stoicism is not about suppressing our feelings. It means acknowledging them, their burden, and then make logical decisions about how to proceed. If you are dealing with a narcissistic parent or sibling, you're not just dealing with a troubled person. You are grappling with the loss of supporter. You deserve a loving relationship. It is a form of mourning, and it's important. Allow yourself to go through this process. Seek therapy. Find solace in creative expression, like writing or drawing, and rely on supportive friends or community. These steps are not just about moving away from negativity, but moving toward healing and growth. In the embrace of Stoicism, we learn to focus on our inner fortress, refers to an idea, our inner sanctum of peace and resilience. By minimizing the narcissist's role in our lives, we are not giving them the cold shoulder, though. We choose to prioritize our mental health and emotional well-being. We decide that our peace of mind is paramount, and we will not allow anyone to disturb. Remember that it's okay to hurt, it's okay to grieve, and it's okay to ask for help. What is important is you are taking a step towards wellness. You are happy with a secure, the inner fort, so that no external disturbance can break it. This is what it means. Apply Stoicism when dealing with narcissists. Finding strength in peace and make conscious choices about what to focus on really important. Your peace is your happiness and your growth. Narcissists often excel. Build a facade. Be it through charm, intelligence, success, or any combination thereof. This mask is not just for show, it is a deeply ingrained part of their identity, protecting them from facing their weaknesses and insecurity. However, when we start looking through this facade and questions its validity, we are not doing it out of malice. Instead, we are engaging in a gross habit of seeking truth, shedding layers of illusion to reveal the reality below. But how do we know about this? It is important to anchor ourselves first. The principle of Stoic indifference differentiates between what is within our control. And our goal is not to change the narcissist, and the outcome is beyond our control, but to change our perception of them. As a result, their power over our emotions decreases, and feedback when you notice narcissists are flaunting their exaggerated self-image. Instead of confronting them directly or trying to tear them apart, you can subtly question their narrative. As simple as this query may be, how do you come to that conclusion? Or you can tell me more about that. These are the questions. Ask with genuine curiosity and without judgment can prompt narcissists and those around them to reflect the veracity of their claims, but it is very important to approach it with caution and mindfulness. Above all, ensure your own safety and well-being. Stoic philosophy does not teach us, disturbs our inner peace. Instead, we should try to maintain calmness and emotional balance regardless of external provocation. This means knowing when to be busy and when to withdraw. At that time, our own sanity is the priority. Detached curiosity takes a stance. You are not directly challenging the narcissist's self-image, but invite them and yourself to explore the truth. This is a delicate question. Can gradually deflate their great perception, not through direct confrontation but gently, doing reflective research. You may find that their influence on you diminishes, allows you to see situations and people more objectively. This is the trick aligned with the Stoic practice of prosophe or focused awareness, where we are fully present, and our thoughts are consciousness, words, and actions. To maintain this conscious awareness, we can navigate our interactions with the narcissist with grace and wisdom, ensuring that we stay true to our values, and we are committed to peace. Challenging narcissists' normative self-image, or from less important places in your life, about the search for truth in an empathy, a non-confrontational way out. It's about gently unfolding the reality behind the face, guided by the Stoic qualities of wisdom. Courage is justice, and temperance do so. Not only do we protect our peace of mind, but the narcissist offers, although indirectly, provides an opportunity for self-reflection and growth. In this journey of self-awareness and healing is not a passive process, it requires active participation, courage, and willingness to tackle, sometimes acting like uncomfortable truths about ourselves. This path is not about confronting the narcissist or change their behavior. It's about focusing on ourselves, our growth, and our well-being. Stoicism, with its deep roots in self-cultivation, awareness, and personal qualities, aligns perfectly with the therapeutic journey. It encourages us to look inward, understand our response, emotions, and values that guide us. Seneca's wisdom is deeply inspired here. No person has power. They have everything they want, but it is in their power, or don't want what they don't have, and cheerfully use what they have. In the context of therapy, it means our recognition, current limitations or pain, not as a permanent fixture in our lives, but as a challenge from which we can grow and learn. It's about shifting our focus from external validation, especially from them, those who cannot provide it in a healthy way. Internal validity and self-compassion. Therapy offers a sanctuary. This is for introspection and growth. It's a place where we can openly explore our feelings, experience, and can guide the influence of our relationship very easily. The goal here is healing from the wounds caused, toxic relationship, to recognize our intrinsic value and learn that our values do not depend. Approving or acknowledging a narcissist or anyone else on that matter. In the therapy process, we engage in stoic reflection, a law examining our lives and our choices. Through the lens of wisdom and courage, we question that belief poisoned us about him. Beliefs that lead us to seek validation from those who are unable to provide it in a healthy way. This self-examination is very important, to dispense with the need for external approval, a step that empowers us to restore our freedom and autonomy. But therapy, more than just a process of isolation, it's also about building something new in themselves. It's about discovering joy, passion, and peace on our own terms, creating a life that aligns with our deepest values. It aligns with the steady pursuit of a virtuous life where happiness is found, not in external accolades or relationships, but alive according to virtue involved in therapy. And a powerful act of resisting personal growth against the negativity a narcissist tries to impose. This is a declaration more than the role we played assigned to their description, that we have the power and wisdom to define our own story.